It is a sad morning muthenya wa Wothe to the entire nation of Kenya as Kenyans wake up to the sad news of the passing of a legend, the passing of Field Marshal Kîeha, uria acakaĩtwo na njĩra nene mũno harutio ni President witũ DP Rigathi Gachagua, ministers, politicians arĩa nĩo makorwo makĩrekereria ndeto ici cia kĩeha ati Mau legend, Mau hero Field Marshal Kîeha is no more. Na the grandson niwe uconfirmete the sad news aikiuga ati ona ndarari mũrwaru handũ, but they had to rush her to hospital kuria she was pronounced dead on arrival. Na rĩu kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ ndeto ici nĩguo ciakorwo igĩtũnga Akenya kuria mamũcakaya na njĩra nene mũno, mũco makĩririkana the day she shaved her 6-foot long dreadlocks in the presence of Kenya's First Lady Mama Ngina Kenyatta. Na rĩu mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ, as they mourn her, they are not just mourning but also celebrating this hero Field Marshal Kîeha. Na ona nginya Jeff Kuria ona ake na Moses Kanyira ni amwe a Kikuyu celebrities na presenters arĩa marĩkĩtie kwĩyumĩria na gũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra na Akenya kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ as they mourn the death of Field Marshal Kîeha. Na DP Rigathi Gachagua has shared a heavy message akiumbũra ma nĩ kĩeha kĩnene mũno waking up to this sad news, akiuga I have woken up to sad news of the passing on of Field Marshal Kîeha, the gallant freedom fighter who fought side by side with Field Marshal Dedan Kimathi Washiro in the Mount Kenya and Aberdare forest to drive out colonialists from our land. I join her family and descendants of the Mau War of Liberation in mourning the loss of our mother Field Marshal Kîeha. We recall with pride and sheer admiration her exploits in leading the Land and Freedom Army after the capture of freedom hero Dedan Kimathi, whom she served as his personal assistant after he was betrayed by collaborators. We remain indebted to these great heroes and heroines for the sacrifice to liberate our land. May God rest her in eternal peace and give strength to her family to bear the loss. DP Rigathi Gachagua akiririkana Field Marshal eta one of those freedom fighters who fought for Kenya's independence, fighting along Dedan Kimathi gutigirira ati bũrũri wa Kenya ni wahota kwĩyatha. Na Akenya ni manyitanĩra nake na njĩra nene mũno harĩ kũririkana na gũkorwo magĩshare some happy moments na last moments cia Field Marshal arohurũka ũhoro na our deepest condolences to the family. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.